Let me give you a brief introduction, reintroduction into the whole idea of FEA and why you mesh. If you have this path here, this is your path from the mailbox to the house, and you want to know how long it is so you can lay your bricks there and how many you would need. You would take a ruler and you'd measure your way through. Now, if you look at this ruler and you add it on there, you'll notice that you'll go all the way around, around the path, and then add the length of a rule, add all these up together, and you get the length of a path. I noticed that is limited by how long your ruler is and how straight it is. It's not going to be able to make some of these curves because you have a straight line. This is FEA in a nutshell. This is what you're doing. The ruler here will be your elements, and then these points, these black dots, will be your nodes. This is where you're adding it up. So you add up one ruler to the next ruler to the next ruler. What else you can gather also by looking at this is that you get finer accuracy by making the ruler shorter. So if you use a shorter ruler, you'll be able to make this corner better and better and better. But also, you'll notice that the shorter you make the ruler, the longer it's going to take you to add this up because you're just adding more and more, and it's going shorter and shorter distance all the way through. So really, the way to do it is to just increase your, keep decreasing, keep using the shorter and shorter ruler size until you get the really most accurate result. You'll also notice that there's a diminishing result. There's a point of diminishing results where you're making the ruler shorter and you're not really gaining anything. And so the idea here, which is leading into the lab that we're going to do here, the idea of additivity is that you make these as short as possible or as accurate as possible to where you get the right answer without having to make it really small and you're just wasting time. And so when you do a study, when you just run the first results, you need to make your mesh finer. You need to refine your mesh a little bit so you can get a better result. But then it will get to a point where you will be refining your mesh, but it's not really going to give you that much of a difference in your results.